Welcome to Advanced Markets blog. Today we're going to talk about payment solutions for unregulated FX offshore brokers. FX brokers from St. Vincent, Marshall Islands, Hong Kong are quite limited in the ways they can process incoming and outgoing wires. In this video, I will talk about the most common ways of processing them. Option 1. Bank. Unregulated FX offshore will not be able to secure a bank account at Tier 1 or Tier 2 banks. They will have to go to the banks from less economically developed countries, or Tier 3 banks. These banks traditionally lack online banking system, have a very poor customer support, and require in-person interviews for their approval. Rejections are very common. Option 2. European EMIs, mainly UK or Lithuania. EMIs is a growing bank alternative, but they're not a bank. As example, they cannot take credit risk for the client. However, EMIs are generally better vetted, have a proper KYC in place, and often can assign IBAN number, international bank account number, for the client. Therefore, more financial institutions are willing to work with EMIs. Next one is PSPs, or e-wallet, the most popular ones. Kiwi, PayPal, Yandex, Neteller. They charge a lot in fees, but they are more affordable than the bank account, and they can still be used by many unregulated offshore brokers. Fourth one, crypto deposits can be made to PSPs, banks, EMIs. The amount of crypto deposits in the last few years significantly increased. They're more expensive than regular wires or transfers made between the PSP providers. However, there is literally no fees if crypto deposits made between the wallet of a broker and a client. Other options are Visa or MasterCard. With this structure, FX unregulated offshore broker has to have a company in Europe with a bank account, and then subcontract the offshore entity. Less and less banks are willing to go with this structure, but it's still possible to get it. If you're a startup offshore broker, here's some of my tips. First one, prepare ahead of time. Have at least 3-4 notarized copies of your paperwork along with translated passports and proof of residence and resumes, and sometimes legal letters, opinion letters required. Second, create a list of all possible solution providers for your clients. Solutions that your clients are using locally, solutions that your competitors are using, and of course solutions that are provided by an agent. I hope you will have a chance to talk to at least few, just because you can compare and pick and choose and just be more informed about what is going on in the market. Next one is make sure not to settle with 2 or 3 or even 3 providers. Average FX broker has 6+ working solution in place. Your ongoing job is not just to monitor the news about your partners, because PSPs are going out of business quite fast, but also constantly look for the new options and new solutions. The last one, make sure you don't apply to all providers at once. Do it one by one. This way you will become aware of the requirements and can adjust as you go. If you're looking for more tips about payment solutions for unregulated offshore FX brokers, or if you're looking for actual list of payment solutions available for unregulated FX offshores, download our giveaway. Thank you for watching.